by Calendar Snack. You can see them in the Calendar Snack interface right here. All the data for the NFL has been loaded. That was 309 events. If I drill into upcoming here, based on September 8th, you can see up here in the picker, that means that there's 248 more games left based on the coming up on 12 noon schedule here. So if I drill into the 8th here in the bucket, you can see that our stack has been built on AWS. And so as I drill into the top bucket, what is remaining, and then I drill into the day, we're slicing through the data sets on AWS S3 bucket. Now, our calendar invite information got in there via a process in which we've invented. I won't go into discussion here, but essentially I injected all this calendar data in using my calendar client itself as the create, read, update, and delete machine, or CRUD. So that being said, what I'm going to show you today is how to send a calendar invite to an email list. And what is left here is the game schedules for 9/8. And so in particular, if I go over here to my recipients of the calendar snacks themselves, or basically their calendar invites to be specific, the last one I sent was for Las Vegas Raiders at Los Angeles. And just doing a quick sanity check there to keep straight the 17 games here that I've been sending to. So Raiders at Los Angeles. So if I go to the picker here, I believe it's the next one up the bat in the schedule will be Washington Commanders at the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Now, when I go into here, I haven't sent any calendar invites to a list of all of any. There's 00 here in the data collection interface. And so what I'm going to do is just drill right into send invites. I'm going to VIP list. I'm going to show you that I'm going to upload a list that is a text file with 11 people in it. I will show you the 11 people right here. Zach and Mandy, I'm going to show you their personal calendars here on Google real quick and show you that they did receive a calendar invite for this particular game. So that particular game will be the Washington Commanders here. It is now almost 12 noon here Mountain Standard Time. That game's coming up at 2:25. What I'm going to do is send a calendar invite for this game to these 11 people. And again, this is a test interface we call Calendar Snack. You can go get it. What we're selling here is basically the Calendar Snack plus the back end, which we've built, which is a messaging stack to send calendar invites on AWS. So with that said, I'm sending out the calendar invites right now. It's hitting a API. That API is right here. It's a high performance API. I won't get into it. Part of the stack in which you get here within the Calendar Snack agreements right here. And what you get in this stack here is the ability to basically use upcoming and lists to send out calendar invites, collect the calendar invite information in a very rich data interface. So with that said, back to the demo itself, just buying a little time, making sure my calendar invites went out. So my calendar invites should have gone out to this right here. Confirm permission to send, 9/8, 2:25 p.m. Mountain Standard, Washington Commanders at the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. I sent out 11 calendar invites to this email list here, and I'm going to go to the live demo portion of this to show you that these two people in the list, Mandy and Zach, got the calendar invite. I'm going to go back. There's the first one to Amanda there, Washington Commanders. She's going to say yes. I'm going to go back to Zach real quick. Zach's going to say yes as well. That was a previous game. There's a fresh calendar invite I just sent. You saw it in the demo. He's going to say yes as well. And so when I go back to the calendar interface, I'm going to go back here, go to the top. Excuse me while I get this tab out of the way. I'm going to go to the back top here to the interface itself. As I scroll way up, I'm going to go to View Events, and I'm going to go to the 8th. And under View Events, I'm going to go to the Commanders. You'll see the deep, rich interface here. 11 invites were sent. 2 RSVP'd. That was Mandy and Zach. That was the game data that went to their calendar itself. I'm going to go ahead and get the invitee report. Excuse me. That invitee report's going to come to the person that actually set up these, and you'll see it right here. It is footballschedulesoutlook.com. I'm going to double click it. I'm going to click preview real quick. I'm looking for Mandy and Zach. There's the accept from Zach, and I'm looking for Mandy, and she accepted the data. So this is a rich interface I showed you. If you have any more questions, stop by and send me an email to greg@techvader.com or Greg Hanshin at 31 Events. Thanks.